eye contact psychology. What your eyes reveal instantly, introduction, they say the eyes are the windows to the soul. But what does that really mean? Is it just a poetic phrase? Or is there a deeper truth hidden in the way our gaze connects with another human being? Think about the last time someone truly looked at you, not just a passing glance. Not distracted, not mechanical, but a gaze that seemed to pierce through the noise and reach into your very being. In that instant, words became unnecessary. Their eyes spoke. Whether they revealed love, honesty, indifference, or even deceit, you felt it. This video will take you deep into the psychology of eye contact, revealing what your eyes communicate instantly, even before you say a single word. By the end, you'll not only understand why eye contact is so powerful, but also discover practical steps to use it to strengthen relationships, earn trust, and live with greater authenticity. Because whether you realize it or not, to our eyes are already telling your story. Part 1. Why eye contact matters. More than words, communication is often thought of as words, tone, or body language. But studies show that eye contact alone can carry more weight than any spoken phrase. When you look someone in the eyes, you send signals of confidence, honesty, and presence. In fact, research in psychology reveals that humans naturally associate steady eye contact with truth and credibility. A person who avoids eye contact is often judged as insecure, dishonest, or detached even. If that isn't true, why is this so powerful? Because eye contact activates a primal part of our brain. Long before we had language, we used our eyes to communicate safety, threat, attraction, or connection. Your ancestors knew whether a stranger was friend or foe, not by words, but by gaze. Today, the same principle applies. A leader who maintains strong eye contact inspires trust. A parent who looks deeply into their child's eyes provides a sense of safety. A lover's gaze creates intimacy beyond physical touch. But here's the twist. Eye contact doesn't only reveal what you want others to see. It also betrays what you try to hide. Part 2. What your eyes reveal instantly, or eyes reveal emotions before your brain has time to filter them. Micro-expressions, tiny involuntary changes in eye movement, give away truth in ways words cannot. Dilated pupils often signal attraction or interest. Rapid blinking can reveal anxiety, nervousness, or even deception. A prolonged stare may signal confidence or aggression, depending on context. Downcast eyes can indicate submission, guilt, or sadness. Side glances may suggest curiosity or suspicion. But more than physical signals, your eyes also reveal your emotional presence. People can feel when you're genuinely engaged versus when you're distracted or insincere. We've all had conversations where someone looked at us but wasn't really there. The eyes may be open, but the soul isn't present. This is why authentic eye contact can be so transformative. It shows that you're truly there in the moment, in connection, in truth. Part 3. The hidden psychology of connection when two people lock eyes. Something remarkable happens inside the brain. Neuroscientists call it interpersonal synchronaire. Brain waves literally begin to align with the person we're connecting with. This is why long, meaningful eye contact can feel like losing track of time. Your mind enters resonance with another, and the world outside fades away. Lovers experience it, close friends share it, and sometimes even strangers can feel it in a fleeting, unforgettable moment. But this gift comes with responsibility, because just as your eyes can heal, they can also wound. Cold, dismissive, or judgmental eye contact can leave scars deeper than words. A child ignored by their parents' gaze grows up craving validation. A partner who avoids eye contact during conflict communicates rejection louder than shouting ever could. Understanding this truth invites us to treat our gaze as a tool of care. Every look you give is a message. So what message are you sending? For the cultural lens of eye contact, it's important to note that not all cultures view eye contact the same way. In many Western societies, steady eye contact signals confidence and respect. In some Eastern traditions, prolonged eye contact can be seen as disrespectful or confrontational. For an American audience, especially those over 25, you've grown up in a culture where eye contact is deeply tied to integrity, charisma, and social trust. Think about interviews, public speaking, or leadership. It's almost impossible to succeed without mastering the psychology of eye contact. But here's the nuance. Too much eye contact can feel intimidating. Too little feels evasive. The balance lies in presence, holding someone's gaze long enough to show sincerity, but soft enough to create comfort. This balance is what turns eye contact into art. Part 5. Common struggles with eye contact. Many people avoid eye contact not because they're dishonest, but because they're anxious. Social anxiety, insecurity, or fear of judgment can make holding someone's gaze feel overwhelming. Maybe you've experienced this. Your heart races, your palms sweat, and you quickly look away. You might think it makes you look weak, but in truth, it only shows that you're human. The solution isn't to force yourself into a power stare, but to gradually build comfort with presence. Start small. Practice maintaining eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds in casual conversations. Look at the space between someone's eyes if direct gaze feels intimidating. Train yourself by practicing in a mirror, observing how your eyes carry emotion. Over time, you'll learn that eye contact isn't about dominance, it's about connection. Part 6. Eye contact in relationships. Romantic relationships thrive on eye contact. Couples who make regular, loving eye contact report higher intimacy and trust. In fact, research shows that even 4 minutes of uninterrupted eye contact can significantly deepen emotional bonds. Why? Because the gaze strips away pretense. In that silence, vulnerability is exposed. Lovers who can look at each other without words learn to speak in a deeper language, the language of the soul. But the same applies outside romance. A leader who listens with their eyes builds loyalty. A friend who looks into your eyes when you're in pain provides comfort that no words can. Even strangers passing on the street can exchange a look that affirms shared humanity when used with sincerity. Your gaze becomes a bridge, one that no digital message can replace. Part 7. Practical ways to master eye contact at home. Here are some steps you can apply today to strengthen your eye contact skills. The mirror practice. Spend 2 minutes a day looking into your own eyes in the mirror. At first it may feel awkward, but soon you'll notice your self-acceptance deepening. If you can hold your own gaze, you can hold anyone's. The 70-30th rule when speaking. Maintain eye contact about 70% of the time. When listening, about 30%. This balance keeps the interaction engaging without feeling overwhelming. Soft eyes versus hard eyes. Hard eyes feel cold and judgmental. Soft eyes feel open and compassionate. Practice relaxing your gaze, letting warmth shine through. Silent check-in. Next time you're with someone you care about, pause. Look into their eyes without rushing. Let them know without words, I'm here with you. Digital detox. Too much screen time weakens real-world connection. Dedicate time each day to look into the eyes of those around you, family, friends, or even yourself. These practices aren't just about looking confident. They're about living connected. Conclusion. What your eyes reveal about you. Your eyes reveal your truth. They reveal your fears, your desires, your compassion, and your presence. Even when your lips stay silent, your gaze speaks loudly. In a world where distractions dominate and authenticity feels rare, the ability to look deeply into another person's eyes is revolutionary. It says, I see you. I hear you. I value you. And maybe that's what we're all searching for, not just to be looked at, but to be seen. So tonight, when you look in the mirror, ask yourself, what story are my eyes telling? Do they reveal stress, emptiness, or avoidance? Or do they reveal strength, sincerity, and love? Because the truth is, every time your eyes meet another's, you have the chance to heal, to inspire, or to connect. Let your gaze carry honesty. Let it carry kindness. And above all, let it carry presence. Call to action, awaken mindset if this message resonated with you. I invite you to continue this journey with us. At Awaken Mindset, we explore the hidden truths of psychology, relationships, and human nature, always with the goal of helping you live more deeply and more authentically. Subscribe to the channel, share this video with someone who needs it, and explore our playlist on body language and emotional intelligence. Together, we can awaken a mindset that transforms not only how we see the world, but how we see each other. Because the eyes may be small, but within them lies the power to change everything.